Hey guys, I hope you're doing great and welcome back to another video. So in this one I'm going to show you how you can implement a brightness or gamma setting for your games. It's not a step-by-step tutorial. This is a part of a UI and main menu design course that I created recently. The link is in the description, and if you wanna get familiar with the basics of UI and then learn how to create a complete main menu system for your games, you can check out the course and the link is in the description. In this one I'm just going to show you the system behind a brightness setting. It's a very simple setup, and you can easily learn the basics and implement it in your games. So here, as you can see, we have a page, we have a widget blueprint, and this can be created in your game with different methods. Of course, in this one it is in the main menu. So when you play the game, you go to your settings. Here in display I have the brightness, and when I hit that button the brightness page pops up. Then, as you can see, when I tweak this slider, I am able to change the brightness or the gamma easily. So the main thing here is to just run a console command. So here in the logic we have a simple slider, and you can obviously design it as you like. Here on value changed we have an event, so when the value changes this will be fired, and the logic is just this. We are going to execute a console command, and the command is this: r.toneMapper gamma, and then we need to put a value in front of the text. So here, as you may know, when you want to run a console command, you write the command, then you enter the value. And here we are doing the same. So here we have the command itself, and then in front of it we need to put a value, and we do this with an append. So it will put whatever is in B in front of A. And the value is defined like this. So the slider value is something between 0 and 100, but for the command we need something between 0 to 1, so we divide it by 100. Also we use a lerp, so we can't go lower than 0.01 and higher than 4. Of course you can tweak these values based on your setting, and then we execute the console command. So this is all you need to implement for your on value changed. And yeah, that's it. When you play with the setting and tweak the value, you can easily adjust the gamma or the brightness in your game. Okay, and the final thing you need to know is that, as you can see, the gamma is changed even in our editor, and this is because what we are doing is executing a console command, and it's like giving this order here. So as you can see, when I do it here, things change. So make sure you bring things back when you are developing the game, and you need to do it by just going here and have a value that you are looking for. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.